We went to a yokai exhibition. There's a lot of cool statues, but mainly text and details about them and their folklore stories. I bought this yokai encyclopedia, which I always wanted. When we came out, the Spikes family line is super long. It's so cute that there are a lot of families lining up and looking at the exhibition as well. Jujutsukaisen, there's no one! There's also Junji Ito exhibition, but this one was very short. It's just like one hallway, which I felt a bit scammed from. I guess the main highlight and attraction is the VR experience, but I didn't do it because I wasn't sure how it works, and I never used VR before, so nah, no thanks. Also, I'm so mad that they had an Otomate exhibition, but I wasn't there! Why is fate so cruel? Look, they even have sayaki! Nearby is an apartment store. At the toys and anime section, there's also an anime cafe of N-Star or some idol anime.
It's Utano Prince-sama.
So yeah, we returned to Taiwan, and this is the end of the Taiwan vlog series that took like a year to finish editing the whole thing. Right now it's already January 2024 and we already returned from our trip from Japan, so time to work on the Japan vlog. Bye!